아버지는 요리사입니다. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is YORISA. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss YORISA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 337. YORISA. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is yo, second syllable is ri, third syllable is sa. Pronounce it with me. YORISA. YORISA. The word YORISA means chef or cook. Again, YORISA means chef or cook. How do you write YORISA in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables. The first syllable yo we need to draw first a no sound or placeholder in, followed by a yo character. The second syllable ri we need to draw first a real character followed by an e character. And then for the last syllable sa, we need to draw first a yod character followed by an a character. Then, you just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word YORISA. Now let's look at this example. It says, my father is a cook. Again, my father is a cook. The Korean translation of this is 아버지는 요리사입니다. Again, it's 아버지는 요리사입니다. The Korean translation could be subdivided into two. The first part is 아버지는, which means father, and the other part is 요리사입니다, which means is a cook. So when I say 아버지는 요리사입니다, it means my father is a cook. Take note that the 는 on 아버지는 is just a particle to indicate that this is the subject, and 입니다 is also another particle to indicate what something is. So, looking back to this which is flashed a while ago, we already know by now that the meaning of 아버지는 요리사입니다 is my father is a cook. And with that, you've just learned YORISA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 327 to 336. But don't forget our word for today, word number 337, YORISA, which means chef or cook. The first word for our review is word number 336. It's hyobeu, which means actress. Next word is 쓰레기, which means trash. Next word is 7월, which means July. Next word is 요리하다, which means to cook. Next word is 이상하다, which means to be strange. Next word is 별로, which means not really. Next word is tuk, which means porridge. Next word is 갑자기, which means that was sudden. Next word is 요리, which means cooking or cuisine. And the last word for our review is word number 327. It's 쓰다, which means to write. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.